So I want to talk a little bit more about affiliate marketing. I think that a lot of people understand it from a conceptual standpoint, but lay it down for us here real quick, Marissa. What is affiliate marketing and why is that an important component of YouTube success?
So affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service through an affiliate link, because we're talking about online affiliate marketing. You promote that link, someone uses that link to buy the product, and you get the commission because you connected the buyer to the seller. That's in the simplest form. It's referral marketing. It's been around forever, and I think that every single business should be doing some type of affiliate marketing to supplement their income and create more income streams, because they add up. They add up for sure over time, and they can, if you focus on residual commissions, it could really add up over time and be reliable and be passive, automated, all those things. So
well, it's great because you have no inventory. It's
right.
infinitely scalable as long as people are just clicking a link, right?
Exactly.
That's the beauty. And I think that's probably one of the reasons why a lot of people are apprehensive about getting on YouTube, because they're probably saying to themselves, it's going to cost too much time. It's going to cost too much money. But if you structure it properly, like you teach in your subscribers to sales course, if you set it up properly, it can actually have the opposite effect. It actually be a significant, substantial source of income, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. And as far as structure, I realized a few months in, I was like, okay, I need funnels, right? I need funnels to funnel people to these affiliate products. And so it's a different way to create a funnel when you're promoting an affiliate product, but it's pretty easy to do it. And so that, like, once I started to create my list, that was a game changer. And I no matter what you're promoting on YouTube, from day one, whether you have your product or not, just start growing your list for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, start growing your email list, because that's something that you own. I want to dig in a little bit more, Marissa, into this idea of a funnel, because when I think of YouTube, it's basically just someone happening to fall across a video, right? But is there more to it than that? What do you mean? What's like your top of funnel for your YouTube channel?
So when you think about a funnel, we see it everywhere. But before there was online funnels, there's still McDonald's, like the drive-through. The drive-through is the top of the McDonald's sales funnel. Well, actually, a billboard is the top of a funnel for, McDonald's. When you see that billboard and they're like, exit in a mile for this McDonald's, that's the top. And then when you're going through the drive-through, you started going through a buying process. And that's the same thing with sales funnels, like, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all of these places where you have a social media presence. That's the top of your funnel. And so what makes I say, like, a YouTube channel is like a sales funnel on crack, because it's a different mindset that people have when they're on YouTube. What they're looking to do is they're looking to solve a problem. A lot of them are looking at YouTube to make a purchasing decision. A lot of people. And so when they see your video that helps them solve a problem, it's like an automatic trust is developed with that person, and they want to know more about you, and they want to get on your list, and they want to buy from you. And so that's why, as long as you know, like in your videos, how to give a proper call to action to the links in your description, it's very, very powerful.
And I'm assuming that you're leveraging the power of the search engine on YouTube, right? Someone says, what's the best type of bean for my soup? They go to YouTube, they type it in, and your face shows up recommending the bean. They click the link, they buy it, and then you get paid, right? That's basically how that works, right?
Exactly.
So thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you enjoyed this episode. I've got several other episodes right here for you. Smash one of these videos to make sure that you don't miss out on the tips, tools, and tactics of industry experts. Let's take that side hustle full time. Smash one of these links.